Okay. Can you come and demonstrate what we're going to do at soccer?
Okay. When
Who?
Sheldon.
Crystal or Sheldon?
Yeah, when I hold my baby, don't say like, no! Just
Okay.
say, sure.
And I need to bend my knees like that?
Yeah. Just like, not like, no! Just like, sure. When you go, sure, you put your feet together and your knees together and you go, sure.
Okay.
And when you can do this. Sure.
I can do that or can't?
I can't.
You can't. Okay. All right. That sounds like a plan. Hi, baby. What's your baby's name again?
Annie.
Annie?
Yeah.
Well, yesterday her name was Bella.
Oh, Bella.
Is her name Bella?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But when you go like that, she likes it.
She does.
She thinks she's like in the sky. Can you do that?